So everything is ready for every children is excited to watch this mega final. Signal came from umpire Dikshit towards our scorer. Everything is ready here. Cameraman ready, scorer ready, commentator ready, umpire ready, and even the spectators they are ready to witness this mega final. Wait and see which team is going to become the champion of the SVT trophy in the junior category, sub-junior category. The final is underway. Opening batters, of course, Centurion Shreyas. Shreyas will go into bat here. Is in the striker's end, and Ashutosh, one more little master with the talent. Of course, son of Gopi Bhatt of Katyayani Math, and definitely is going to be a proud son of Gopi Bhatt ji. Definitely is a very happy father watching his son is playing in the mega final of this prestigious cricket tournament. And here comes the first ball from the commentary box, and Arnav. Balls starts with the 6. No, it's not a 6. It's chance of catch. Oh, taken. Well, the fireworks begins and celebration is also begins. Well. Just have a look at the celebration there from the junior boys of Sesa Super Kings will going to celebrate this wicket. Shreyas is out for duck. He just wanted to take a aerial route. Lofted that one, but he didn't time it properly. And what a catch. Now look at the fielder. First attempt, he missed the ball. Anant missed the catch in the first attempt, but he's kept the eye on the ball and taken that catch in the second attempt, and he sends the danger man back in the pavilion. What a start, what a dream start there from Arnav. Produced that vital breakthrough. Big fish in the net. Absolutely big fish in the net. The Sesa Super Kings now, they got a great start, and wait and see after losing the wicket of Shreyas, how well other batters will go to contribute. Vaishant is the batter. Arnav. Right arm over the wicket. Vaishant lofted at one. It's going to be at wicket number 2. 2 in a row. Arnav strikes again. Back to back 2 ducks. So 2 in a row, and he's on hat-trick. Arnav is on hat-trick. Here comes. Right arm over the wicket balls. Left the ball. Good one. No run scored. All we can see that it's going to be a shackling start here for the team. And Garuda Rising Star, absolutely, they got a shackling start here against Sesa Super Kings. 4 time in this over. Right arm over the... Ooh, that might be a very good one. Very close to that outside edge of the batter. Lovely start there from Arnav. Absolutely dismantling the batting department of their opposition with the 2 wickets in 2 deliveries. After that, 2 dot balls.
Mangalore, Raghuveer Bhandarkar Maila sir, and Nivedika Erbaisoka.
Nandu will going to take the strike. Arnav, 5th time in this over. Right arm over the... Oh, edging it down, but just falling short of the field, wicket keeper. And he's taken that one off volley. And very lucky indeed, Nandu. The ball just falling short of the field, wicket keeper. And no damage done. So far, yet to open the account. 5 good deliveries so far. This time lofted, down to long on. 1 bounce into the fence for 4 runs. Nandu just breaks the shackle in the last delivery of the over. And they started their journey. 4 without loss of any wicket. After 4 for the loss of 2 wicket, correction. It's 4 for the loss of 2 wicket. The team Garuda Rising Stars absolutely got a shackling start with the 2 wickets in a row in the first over. Arnav produced that vital breakthrough for his team, and the bowler Sankalp will go into ball the second over. And have a look at that noises coming in the ground. The first time you're watching the ground is full of noises. And here comes the right arm. Okay, the full toss, played it nicely into the mid-wicket. No chance of any run. And Ashutosh and Ramachandra, the little Ramchandra at short mid-wicket is absolutely fantastic. Here comes the Sankalp, right arm over wicket. Ashutosh wanted to go for the big swing of the bat. Missed it completely. Ashutosh should be very careful after they lost 2 wickets. The responsibility in his shoulder to get into that good runs in this mega final against the team Shesha Super Kings. Sankalp again. Right arm over the wicket. Lofted down the ground into the long on region for a 6. So Ashutosh, just I mentioned, is a very, very talented junior young boy, and absolutely is nailed that one and hit that one just over the bowler for a maximum. Once again edging it down, wicket keeper missed it, and the ball running down to third man boundary for 4 runs. Lucky boundary for Ashutosh. After the 6 he got the boundary, so very lucky indeed. Then wicket keeper behind the stump fails to take the catch, and not only missed the ball but he conceded the boundary for that, and a little bit unlucky for Sankalp. Scoreboard numbers on to 14 for the loss of 2 wicket. Ashutosh taking his own time and get ready to face the bowling of Sankalp. Right arm over the wicket. Lofted, stayed down the ground. Magnificently struck. Just stand and delivered into the deep long on for a maximum. So even though they lost the wicket of Shreyas, Ashutosh is still there in the middle, and he can do the damage for the position. Again, what a shot! Magnificent! Again, he's absolutely muscled that one into the deep mid-wicket for a maximum. Well, Ashutosh, I already mentioned, is a little master. And it's a great saying in cricket, don't judge the book by its cover. Maybe he's a very small, but absolutely got all the technique of hitting the ball out of the park. And definitely Gopi Bhattji, the father, will go in to watch the son is performing. And is a Purohit of in Katyayani temple. A very good Kannada commentator. Gopi Bhattji missing in this particular season. A lovely delivery, beautifully bowled. Perfect one in the negation there from Tanmay. And the batter just wanted to get that one into onto the front foot. Missed it completely, Nandu. And again, Tanmay, right arm over the wicket, bowls to Nandu. Just Nanda plays the ball down to backward advantage, and it's going to be a boundary there. Excellent placement. Even Nandu can't believe his eyes. He thought it might be a single there, but seeing the ball is going over the boundary line, he is very happy. And just have a look at that one in a replay. Played it right in the gap in the backward point and cover point for 4 runs. 30 for the loss of 2 wicket. And straight away team Garuda Rising Stars back in the game. Right arm over the wicket, full toss delivery again, played it down to point region. Of course, the intention of Nandu to get Ashutosh into strike. He is absolutely leading with a big shot so far. They need to appreciate the brave and gutsy batting there from Ashutosh. And now we can see that the right of our commentary box, the supporters of Garuda Kings, now they're loudly calling the name of Ashutosh. Ashutosh, like that. And again, right arm over the wicket, balls to Ashutosh, and ball kept low in the negation. And good bowling there from Tanmay, keeping that ball out of the reach of the batter, just outside the line of off stump, and no run scored. 31 for the loss of 2 wicket in the over number 3 is in progress. Again, Tanmay back to his bowling mark, away from us. Right arm over the wicket, ball to Ashutosh. Ashutosh again wanted to go for the expansive drive. They're going for the quick single in the negation, and with that single, score moves on to 32 for the loss of 2 wicket. This is turning out to be a good over so far from Tanmay. He is keeping the things very tight, bowling that very good line and length, very consistency in that line and length so far from Tanmay, and try to put some break on the run rate of what team Garuda Rising Star has got. Again, a full toss delivery outside the line of off stump, and over number 3 completed. Good over there from Tanmay after completion of over number 3. It's 32 for the loss of 2 wicket. Now Ramachandra is a very popular name and a very popular figure. Very naughty boy, Ramachandra, is now walking from the commentary box and running from the commentary box, right arm round the wicket. Balls. Oh, beautifully ball. What a delivery. Absolutely spin, the leg spin delivery. And if you see that, every spin bowler, they're bowling the spin with a short run-up, but this bowler is having a run-up and bowling a spin delivery. The unique talent, what you are seeing that Ramachandra. This is a very good competition between these two. Again, full toss, a chance for the Ramachandra to take the catch, and it's taken. Ramachandra picks up a huge wicket of Ashutosh. Ashutosh back in the pavilion. The full toss delivery, couldn't manage to time it properly. But he played a very good innings, no doubt at all. Ramachandra. This is a battle between Garuda versus Shesha. The king of snake versus eagle. The fight is on here for the champions. Here comes the next one. Down the leg side, going to be wide. He didn't got that much of grip in that leg spin delivery. As he ball down the leg side, wide call by umpire. 33 for the loss of 3 wicket. Ramachandra again, bowling away from us. Right arm round the wicket to the new batter. Oh, swings and miss, beautifully bowled. Again, the leg cutter, right on the money, right on the target. Abhishek, the new batter, fails to meet the ball and fails to read the turn of the ball. Ramachandra has been outstanding so far. Right arm round the wicket, he bowls. Driven and into the long on for a maximum. So with that 6, scoreboard numbers on to 39. The good shot, good stroke there from the batter. Just using his feet and taking that one in the off volley. Played it a lovely lofty drive into the long on for a maximum. It's 39 for 3 in the over number 4 is in progress. Ramachandra. Right arm over the wicket to Abhishek. Again, it's going to be a massive one. Down to mid wicket for one more 6. The back-to-back 2 sixes as Ramachandra hit. Just tried to get the turn, but he's bowling a little bit fuller and delivery for the batter. And he's just enjoying Abhishek. 45 for 3 in the over number 4 is in progress. Again, driven nicely into the deep long on. And good piece of fielding there by Arnav. And they completed just a single. With that single, scoreboard number 46, over number 4 completed. 4 gone, it's 46 for loss of 3 wicket. And last over remaining in their innings of team Garuda Rising Stars. You are watching the mega final of sub-junior category between Shesha Super Kings versus Garuda Rising Stars of SVT Trophy 2026. Anant brought into attack to bowl the last over. Just have a look at the crowd. It's absolutely jam-packed stadium. They're enjoying the game of cricket, and the big part of this cricket ground is the children absolutely cheering their favorite teams. And wait and see which team will going to become the champion. Anant again. Right arm over the wicket, bounce. Drives that one down to mid off. Lack of placement. Straight to the hands of Tanmay. Dot ball to start with in this last over. 46 for a loss of 3 wicket. Anant again back to his bowling mark. Right arm over the wicket, bowls to Abhishek. Abhishek wanted to go for the pull shot again, lack of placement, going for the quick run. They're dealing with the last over, they have to look for the runs. That's with 47 for 3. And last 4 deliveries left in their innings. Now Nandu is coming to bat here as a striker. The wait and see so far, Nandu is batting on 9. He will going to face Anant, 3rd time in this over. Balls to Nandu. Nandu full set one. Down to deep mid-wicket region for a maximum. 50 comes up. 50 comes up for Garuda Super King, Garuda Rising Stars against team Shesha Super Kings. Nicely getting into the line of the ball and pulls it away for a maximum. 53 for 3. Last 3 balls remaining. Anant again bowling away from us. Right arm over wicket balls. Full toss lofted, and once again one more six. Now there's a much required runs coming from the bat of Nandu, an umpire in his own style, the unique style. This is the speciality of Dikshit, and it played it high and handsome into the mid wicket for a maximum 59 for 3. Last two deliveries left in their innings, and of course Nandu dealing with the sixes in this last over. Then 2 balls remaining in their innings. Anant again to Nandu again, he lofted. Again he got the distance. The back-to-back 4 sixes in this over. 3 sixes in fact. 3 sixes in a row. Hat-trick 6 from Nandu. And takes the total score into 65 for 3. Good recovery coming from team Garuda Rising Stars. After that they got a shackling start. They're back in the game very strongly with some excellent batting. Anant again to Nandu. Nandu again drives that one down to mid-off range and chance of run out. Direct hit and is gone. Tanmay disturbing the furniture at non-striker's end by hitting the ball. That's it. The team Garuda Rising Star, they completed their innings of 5 overs and they scored 65 runs and they set a target of 66 for Shesha. Super Kings to become the champion in the sub-junior category. And wait and see, will it going to be good enough for the team to win this match? Wait and see. And before the innings will going to start of the team Shesha Super Kings, it's a time to change in voice as well as language. It's over to Gopi. Thank you.
And the next senior finals sir. Senior finalist dalal team Srinivasa and Katari team register match start
धन्यवाद सतीश तो 66 रनों का लक्ष्य 66 the target in 5 overs for Shesha Super Kings to become the champion of sub-junior division SVT Trophy 2025 and they have to score 66 runs in their simulated 5 overs with the required rate of 13.20 runs per over और उनकी पारी की शुरुआत यहाँ पर होते हुए दोनों आरंभिक बल्लेबाज इस वक्त क्रीज पर मौजूद संकल्प और तन्मय जबकि गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए आशुतोष और पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए गरुड़ा राइजिंग स्टार्स ने 65 रन बनाए और बेहतर बल्लेबाजी का प्रदर्शन उन्होंने दिया और जहां तक सवाल है इस वक्त देखते हैं ये नन्हे खिलाड़ी किस तरीके का खेल यहां पर दिखा पाते हैं खासकर गरुड़ा के नन्हे बैटर्स ने बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी करते 65 रन बनाए अब बारी है यहाँ पर शेषा सुपर किंग्स के नन्हे बल्लेबाजों के और इस बीच ओवर की पहली गेंद लेकर तैयार तैनात ओवर द विकेट गेट सम एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स गेंद उछाल लेते हुए बेहतर गेंद फैंटास्टिक डिलीवरी फ्रॉम द बॉलर हालांकि छोटे कद के खिलाड़ी जरूर कम उम्र के लेकिन जिस तरीके से गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं काबिल तारीफ है इस वक्त और लेग स्पिन गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर करते हुए अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार फ्लाइटेड गेंद दिस टाइम गॉन मैनी माइल्स हिट दैट वन प्रीटी हार्ड और गेंद को इस वक्त डिस्पैच करने में सफल डीप लॉन्ग ऑन से बाहर छक्के के लिए। सो 66 टारगेट। और संकल्प जहां तक सवाल है, इस वक्त गेंद के लाइन पर पहुंचते हुए गेंद की उछाल को भागते हुए उछाल दिया इस वक्त छक्के के लिए। और दोनों टीमों के दर्शक समर्थक बच्चों के गूंजे सीटियां आवाजें यहां पर सुनाई देते हुए। और 6 रन के लिए इस वक्त गेंद को डिस्पैच कर दिया बल्लेबाज बैटर संकल्प ने। और इस बीच आशुतोष अगली गेंद लेकर इस वक्त तैयार। दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट फ्लाइटेड गेंद अंदर की ओर आते हुए गेंद, बेहतर गेंद, फैंटास्टिक डिलीवरी फ्रॉम द बॉलर आशुतोष। निश्चित रूप से यहाँ पर ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा, नन्हे खिलाड़ी इस वक्त एक बेहतरीन क्रिकेट यहाँ पर दिखाते हुए जीएसबी समाज के, और आगे के सितारे होने की पूरी छाप यहाँ पर छोड़ जाते हुए। ये गेंद उछाला, मौका इस वक्त एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर। इस बार कैच इस वक्त छोड़ चुका है और गेंद सीमा रेखा को पार कर चुकी है 4 रनों के लिए। That was a simplest chance gone in vain। और देखिए यहाँ पर रिप्ले पर दिखाया जा रहा है किस तरीके से गेंद को उछाला था। आसान सा क्या, दूसरा प्रयत्न नाकामयाब और गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रनों के लिए। तो आशुतोष इस वक्त फील्डिंग में जमावट इस वक्त करते हुए, और संकल्प का विकेट यहाँ पर गिरने से बच चुका है। निश्चित रूप से यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ा ड्रॉबैक इस वक्त साबित हो सकता है। और यहाँ पर 6 रनों के लिए नहीं, गेंद जी हां से गेंद सीमा रेखा के ऊपर 6 रनों के लिए कमेंटेटर बॉक्स पर आकर इस वक्त गिर चुकी है। 16 रन बन चुके हैं, 66 रनों का लक्ष्य 5 ओवर में। और संकल्प इस वक्त पूरी तरह मैदान पर छाते हुए, तो काफी शोर शराबा मैदान पर नजर आता हुआ। निश्चित रूप से इस वक्त नन्हे खिलाड़ी अपना हुनर कौशल यहाँ पर दिखाते हुए। ये गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर की ओर निकलती हुई, वाइड का इशारा, ऑफ कटर गेंद इस वक्त फेंके थे आशुतोष ने। और निश्चित रूप से इतनी कम उम्र में लेग कटर, ऑफ कटर, लेग स्पिन, ऑफ स्पिन, ऑफ ब्रेक गेंदबाजी वो करते हुए, और एक बेहतर खिलाड़ी होने की पूरी तरह यहाँ पर यह गेंद विकेट कीपर कैच को लपक चुके हैं। संकल्प की पारी यहाँ पर समाप्त हो चुकी है। पहला विकेट पतन, बल्लेबाज ने गेंद को उछालना चाहता संकल्प, हालांकि 2 छक्का लगाने के बाद काफी हद तक खतरा पैदा कर चुके थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर उनका विकेट गिर चुका है। फर्स्ट ओवर कंप्लीटेड। और ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा गेंदबाज आशुतोष हालांकि छोटे कद के खिलाड़ी जरूर, लेकिन एक बेहतर गेंदबाजी उन्होंने किया, खासकर संकल्प का बेशकीमती विकेट वो उखाड़ने में सफल। तो तन्मय गेंदबाजी इस वक्त शुरू करते हुए, सेकंड ओवर स्टार्ट्स। श्रेयस पई इस वक्त गेंदबाजी शुरू करते हुए, ओवर की पहली गेंद लेकर तैयार था। इन हाथों पर द विकेट ऑफ रे गेंदबाजी, ये गेंद इस बार पुल किया है मिड विकेट पर 6 रनों के लिए। 22 ऑन द बोर्ड। और ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा इस वक्त शेषा सुपर किंग्स एक बेहतरीन प्रगति करता हुआ, और कम बैक करना है तो इस वक्त गरुड़ा राइजिंग स्टार्स के नन्हे गेंदबाजों को इस वक्त एक बेहतर गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर करनी होगी। जस्ट कॉल फॉर अ बिग वन, अपीलिंग फॉर कट बिहाइंड नोसेस अंपायर, और गेंद सीधे पहुंच चुकी है विकेट कीपर के हाथ में। रन्स बल्लेबाज को नहीं मिला। स्कोर 23 ऑन द बोर्ड, जस्ट अ सेकंड ओवर इन प्रोग्रेस इन देयर इनिंग्स। और गेंदबाज इस वक्त तैयार, दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट, बॉल स्टॉपेज, मौका हो सकता है विकेट कीपर गेंद के नीचे आते हुए और इस कैच को लपकने में सफल। ही इज गॉन इन फैक्ट, सेकंड विकेट फॉलन, just trying to heave the ball, goal is stoppage, and the wicket keeper took the catch successfully, just coming towards his front side. What a fantastic performance progressing here from the eldest player in this match. So this is going to be a really equal battle is now going on here. बराबर का संघर्ष इस वक्त जारी, और नए बल्लेबाज अनंत इस वक्त गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर का सामना करने के लिए तैयार। और श्रेयस गेंदबाजी इस वक्त आगे बढ़ाते हुए दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट इस वक्त गेंदबाजी करने के लिए तैयार। ये गेंद इस बार ऑफ ब्रेक, ऑफ स्टंप से काफी बाहर, वाइड का इशारा, और वाइड के रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर अब पहुंच चुका है 23 रनों पर। 24 नाउ फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2 wickets. Both openers are now already back into the pavilion. Shreyas अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार, left it this time, He's got the distance. Yes, it does. अपनी विशिष्ट शैली से यहाँ पर छक्का घोषित करते हुए अंपायर दीक्षित और इस छक्के के साथ स्कोर बढ़कर अब पहुंच चुका है कुल मिलाकर 30 रनों पर 30. Fantastic struck came to the bat of Anant now. श्रेयस अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार. बेहतर गेंद थी. Perfect off break delivery. Just gone for a loft, not succeeded. और गेंद सीधे पहुंचे विकेट कीपर के हाथों में. रन्स बल्लेबाज को यहाँ पर नहीं मिला और 19 गेंदे बाकी. 36 रन और चाहिए विजय के लिए. अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार. फ्लाइट एट ड्राइव कर दिया. मिड विकेट पर 1 रन बल्लेबाज को मिलेगा. No, in fact, they can't got any run for that stroke. Over number second has been came to an end. 30 for the loss of 2 wickets. The equal battle is now continuing here. 36 to get from remaining 18 dealers. That means in remaining 3 overs. The mega final of sub-junior division is now progressing here between Garuda Rising Stars versus Shesha Super Kings. और श्रीकांत गेंदबाजी इस वक्त प्रारंभ करते हुए ओवर की पहली गेंद लेकर इस वक्त तैयार. दाहिने हाथ राउंड द विकेट लंबे रनअप के साथ बाएं हाथ के गेंदबाज के लिए ये गेंद उछाला इस वक्त. It's gone many miles from the fence for a maximum. छक्का इस वक्त लग चुका है. जितनी तेज रफ्तार के साथ गेंद आई थी उतनी तेजी के साथ बल्ले को घुमाते हुए गेंद को उछाल दिया इस वक्त लंगोन से बाहर छक्के के लिए. और देखिए यहाँ पर किस तरीके से उछाला था. Have a look at this in the replay. Just stand and deliver. And he's just got that one right from the mid of the bat at the last moment. Scoreboard moving up to 36 for the loss of 2 wicket. Exactly 30 runs required from 17 balls. और गेंदबाज इस बीच अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार. ये गेंद just missing 2 for a Saadi off stump. And a right delivery called by umpire. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಟಗಾರರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೈದಾನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಬಾರದಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಲಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾರು ಬಾಲಕರು ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟೇಕನ್ by the wicket keeper behind the stumps. In fact, it's a no ball. Celebration is going on there. Surprisingly, it's a no ball called by umpire. So the wicket survived and single run added to the total and a free hit delivery also for the left-handed batsman. तो बेहतरीन कैच विकेट कीपर ने जरूर लिया था लेकिन दौर्भाग्यवश यहाँ पर नो बॉल साबित होता हुआ और गेंदबाज श्रीपई गेंदबाजी इस वक्त आगे बढ़ाते हुए इस बार उछाला 6 रनों के लिए. 43 on the board. Shesha Super Kings are heading towards to their target in this situation. And now, as far as the victory is concerned for Garuda Rising Stars youngsters, they have to perform very well in this situation. They have to bounce back with a terrific bowling that they needed in this situation. I loved it. Again, 6 runs. (49) on the board. (49) on the board. 17 to get from 14 dealers. The equation seems to be much easier now for Shesha Super Kings. So young players are performing very well in this ground in the mega final match of the sub-junior division of this prestigious SVT Trophy 2025. और श्रीपाई अगली गेंद लेकर तैयार. Full toss again. The same treatment. This time squarer. 50 comes up. 55. Now again a no ball called by umpire. So once again a free hit delivery for the batsman. Score is now 56 on the board. 10 required from 14 deliveries. और बल्लेबाज इस वक्त बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी का प्रदर्शन करते हुए Arnav again. Arnav hit that one and it's gone out the fence for a boundary. So Arnav looking on fire. And the side total is now moving up to exactly 60 on the board. और रिप्ले पर देखिए किस तरीके से गेंद को स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट इस वक्त उछाला था चौके के लिए अर्नव ने. Just 6 for victory in remaining 13 deliveries. और गेंदबाज इस वक्त तैयार था, इन हाथ round the wicket. Just 1-6 required, and just gone for a big one, missing the line completely this time. Fantastic delivery from the bowler. So 3 overs completed, and after 3 overs, Shesha Super Kings looking in a commanding situation. It's 60 for the loss of 4 wickets. This beach, ugly game starts off with a wide. Vashant, the bowler, 61 on the board for losing 2 wickets. Now, 5 runs to get. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ಬಳಿಕ ಯಾರು ಮೈದಾನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಬಾರದು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ಬಳಿಕ ಯಾರು ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಯಾವ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಮೈದಾನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಬಾರದು ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ. Lost it this time. Oi! He finished the match in a style. So Shesha Super Kings become the champion in sub-junior division of SVT Trophy 2025. They become the champion, defeating Garuda Rising Stars and handsomely by 7 wickets with 5 balls to spare. And with that victory, they become the champion of SVT Trophy 2025 in a sub-junior division.